we are dissecting a cheap brain. Well, as I was dissecting the brain, besides looking at the color and the parts of the brain, so I could be able to identify, because every part has a name.
Professor was super helpful. There's some part of the brains that we are unable to actually locate, and she was able to actually point us in the right direction.
For anatomy and physiology, students have a lecture section and they have a lab section. And in the lecture section, we talk a lot about the physiology, the different brain pathways, all of that stuff, how it all works together, how the body functions. And then in lab, we talk about the anatomy side of things. So we get to actually dissect the brains, we get to see what they look like, we get to make sense of all that physiology that we learn in lecture. In lab, we get to literally see those structures. And so it's cool to watch them start to put those things together. They'll be like, oh, this is that structure and this is that. And it is neat to see them start to see the structures and make sense of that information.
I was also thinking about, I wonder how do people do surgery and how our brains inside look. But overall, I think it's very nice that we at least have a brain, something that we could actually cut into and see. And it's a very nice experience.
I've always been a good student of biology, and this is kind of a dream because I want to be a doctor. And I think I'm pretty much in the right part of what I really want to do in life, helping people. You must really have a vision of what you actually want to do. Be focused, disciplined, and I'll always say never give up. Just keep pushing.